This overview will explain the features of the Students Report in Foundation LMS. Navigate to the Students Report by clicking Reports, then Students. Select your course from the Filter Course field. You can scroll to find your course, or you can type in the field to search. By default, the Students Report displays data for the selected course for the prior 30 days. You can adjust the date range by using the Date Picker field at the top. Use the Clear button to show all data. The Students Report displays several useful graphs at the top of the report. The Student Status section provides an overview of student activity, showing the number and percentage of students with courses in progress, courses completed, and courses enrolled but not yet started. The Student Summary graph displays the number of students who interacted with the selected course within the selected date range, grouped by month. You will also see students by degree and students by specialty graphs if those fields are enabled in your company profile. If enabled, students select their degree and specialty when they register for an account in your portal. These graphs show the percentage of students assigned to each degree and specialty. Each graph is displayed in its default format, but you can customize them by clicking Select Graph Type above the graph. All graphs in Foundation LMS reports provide the option of selecting from a list of graph types. You can also print the graph, download the graph in various file formats, and download or view the graph source data. Click the hamburger icon to choose from a list of options. Hover over any colored section of a graph to see the total number of students represented by the section. Beneath the graphs, you will see the students list. This shows a list of students who have interacted with the selected course within the selected date range. This report shows the student's degree and specialty if enabled, student's course status, and the course completed date, if applicable. By default, the records are displayed by completed date in ascending order. This column can also be sorted in descending order by clicking the arrows next to the column heading. The name and student status columns can be sorted by ascending or descending order in the same manner. You can search for a specific student using the filter field, and you can export this list as an Excel file. Any filtering you have applied to the report will also be applied to the exported file. Use the Entries per Page drop-down field to show more than 10 records per page. Thank you for watching our Foundation LMS Students Report overview.